everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jane Everything Vlog. I have beautiful Filipina here in the Philippines. What is your, please introduce yourself.
My name is BBJ Nakaso. I'm from Ayungo Negros Oriental and I'm 20 years old.
So, baby Jane, you're working at here in, how much your salary here?
280 a day.
Wow, good. So, how's your life being working here?
It's okay because it's just a simple work here.
Then you have a race day, right?
Yeah.
If we don't have customer, but we have assistant.
Yeah.
And then it's very easy to manage the business.
Yeah. To organize.
So what is your boss like? Muslim?
Yeah.
Muslim? So you are stay in or stay out?
Stay out.
Stay out? Oh wow. Good. So where you live? Where you living is here?
In Bagakay, I'll just rent a boarding house.
Okay. And then how much your rent?
2,000 a month.
Only the room or
Only the room.
included electricity or
No, not included. Electricity and water.
very expensive, right? Included your phone. But here you are free phone here.
It's just only a snack. It's just only a snack.
Just a snack. So
Yeah.
only snack
Every noon.
so but you are manager, right?
No. I'm just an employee here.
Lawyer. It's okay. And then by the way, you have a boyfriend already.
Yeah, I have
So
boyfriend.
what is your experience about your boyfriend? Your boyfriend is Filipino?
Yeah.
So how old is she, your boyfriend?
26 years old.
So now because you have already boyfriend, what is your experience about Filipino boyfriend?
It's okay, but sometimes they have many misunderstandings.
Oh, that's right. And then what else?
Sometimes we have a big arguing.
And then after arguing, you need to settle.
Yeah, settle each other.
But how many years your relation?
4 years.
A very long time. Then are you planning to get married?
Maybe because I'm not sure.
And then because you're being it's very long time you're being relationship. Are you planning to soon if you broke up your boyfriend? You have planning to try to relation a foreigner?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh yeah. So because you don't try because you have a Filipino boyfriend. Filipino it's better than to
I don't think so because they have also a Filipino that never taking care of.
that's
And
correct.
sometimes.
That's correct. And then you know what? Your boyfriend is very kind with you.
Sometimes, but if she get angry,
Why she is angry?
we have something that misunderstanding.
And then sometimes he's jealous,
Yeah.
something like that. Your boyfriend is working here in Dumaguete.
Yeah, in the Manila.
So it's very long time because you know why? 4 years.
4 years.
And then you have a baby already or no?
No, not yet.
You mean you're single.
Yeah.
Wow, it's good. So the families of your boyfriend, he knows you are a girlfriend.
Yeah, I'm both legal
Okay. And then your parents too.
Yeah.
Then your parents, you don't asking with you when you get married.
No, because I have so many goals. I want to finish study
You
next
like to,
year.
You like to. So if you back to study, what is your college? What is
Yeah,
your
first
college?
year.
First year college.
Yeah.
Oh, so by the way, what happened to your stopping schooling?
Because of financial,
That's
my my parents can afford to
that's correct.
getting me in university.
That's correct. And then, yeah, because you know what, you are good English. And then, what do you like? So, if you're study again, what do you like your courses? What do you
I
like?
think business.
Yeah, because you're managed here.
Yeah,
You
I
like
like business.
businessman, businesswoman.
Mm-mm.
You know what? It's good course business, right? And then I'm gonna asking with you because you're being Filipina. What is the big experience in your life to being, because you are a province, right? What is your biggest experience?
Not my biggest experience is not easy because I have so many responsibilities. Every month I want to give money to my family. So sometimes I have no
So always you give your parents
yeah,
for help.
just to support him
So every month.
every month of my salary.
So how much your salary 1 month?
I think 5,000.
Then how much you give your parents?
I think 3,000 something like that.
So how much your leave is 2,000?
Yeah, for my for myself.
And then you have a boarding house, right?
Mm.
And then your parent is very happy because you know what, you are very kind and you're very supportive. So how many sister do you have?
I have only the one girl in my family,
You are
but
only the
uh,
girls.
but but I have four brothers and I have the only one girl.
Really? So your parent, what is job?
It's just farmer.
Farmer
Yeah. In Ayungol,
Ayungon. What part in Ayungon? Because I have brother from Ayungon.
Mabato.
Mabato. Very, very far.
Yeah,
Oh, very far. So how many hours to get riding going to do
I think
how many hours?
3 hours.
3 hours, right? Because you are from Mabato, it's very, mountain, right? So every month is not you're visiting your parents. Only
Yeah.
Only you send
Money. Sometimes I'll go home.
So how many years to visiting your parents?
It's just a month like that.
So do you have already father or
I have and yes, I have complete mother and father.
it's very difficult, right? Because you are living is very far in the city, right?
Yeah.
So your parents is a farmer. So because now it's very hot in the Philippines, so we don't have so much plan to right?
Yeah.
So but it's your boss here is good.
Yeah, it's good.
It's very kind. Okay. And then every day only support with you only the snack.
Um,
So how many breads do you have every snack?
I think two.
So only
Yeah.
and then one coffee.
Yeah.
It's very tricky. And then I will back to asking with you. You need to saving your money because you like to going back to
Yeah.
school, right? Because it's very hard to work in student.
My problem is I have no one to support my financial
That's correct.
because my parents can afford.
You can afford it. Yeah. And then what happened if you back to school? Who's supporting your family?
Maybe myself I'll get a part-time
Part-time
job.
job.
Yeah.
But you know what? It's good for you if you like schooling to college, then you are working at Jollibee because Jollibee is very big salary per hour. Some of my friend is doing like that. He's working at Jollibee and then he support the parent. So you know what? You are very kind daughter. parents because you're always thinking. So by the way, how old is she, your mother?
My mother is 55 years old. My father is 62.
62, but it's
Yeah.
not so old,
Yeah.
right? And what else your, what else your goals in your life?
I want to I want to become a
Successful businesswoman.
yeah.
So if you have that, what is your if you have a successful businesswoman, what is your planning? What is your like business?
Maybe I can make us something like a store.
A store like this? You like to selling the clothes?
Mga, like dry goods.
Dry goods? Oo, this one dry goods, right? What else?
Something.
That's it. So, by the way, this is your, this is from your boss. So, where he from this items?
I don't think so.
It's not Manila. Baby Jane, thank you so much for your life story because it's not easy being very province girl, right?
Yeah.
Because it's very hard work. So thank you so much, Baby Jane, for sharing his story. And bye. See you again. And thank you, everyone.